Okay, in this video lesson we're going to take a look at grouping sheets together so that we can make the same changes across all sheets that we make in one sheet. So you might have come across this situation before where you have the same data layout but across many different sheets. So for example, in this setup we have sales data and it's for salesperson and then gives the sales amount here, and then we have the exact same setup across a couple different sheets for each quarter. And maybe you come across a situation where you want to make the same changes to all these sheets. So for example, you might want to add in a new salesperson, and you might want to change the formatting of the numbers to have a currency. And maybe you notice a mistake across these sheets. So in this situation, our sum function doesn't quite get all the salespeople. And so if you have a lot of these sheets, it could be quite cumbersome to go through and make all those corrections. But what you can do is group them together and make the changes in one sheet, and it should work across all the sheets. So to group sheets together, what you want to do is select your first sheet that you want to group, and then you hold down the Shift key and click the last sheet, and you'll notice that they're all now selected. And then up here next to the sheet name, you'll notice that it now says group in brackets. Now to unselect all the sheets, you would just need to select another sheet that's not grouped. And another way to group sheets is you can hold down the Control key so that you can select individual sheets one at a time. So once they're grouped, let's try adding in another salesperson into this. So maybe Ken. Let's fix our sum. And then let's add some currency. And now, if we take a look at our sheets, you can see all those changes appear on each of the sheets now. So that's a quick and easy way to make the same edits across multiple sheets.